Good day. Today is also a very important reason for this trip because here in my hometown I decided to rent a farmhouse for me and my family to spend a few days, and it's actually a holiday season here in Brazil right now, and this house accommodates about 18 to 20 people. It has a pool. It's in the middle of a lot of trees in the middle of a green area, and we're going to have barbecues. We're going to play games and just spend quality time with the family. I don't believe we ever did something like this before, where the whole family is gathering at one place for 4 days. So I'm pretty excited to do this and to record everything, every interaction, because I want to be able to look at this video later on and say, wow, I'm so glad I was able to do this for my family. And I'm ready to have a lot of fun and to make great memories. The car is packed. It feels like we're moving. We have fans, 2 boxes with groceries, blankets, pillows, you name it. It's going to be fun. It's going to be epic. We're also going to stop at a restaurant along the way, a restaurant that was just suggested by my aunt. It's called Restaurante do Edu. Translation to English would be Edu's restaurant. They cook their food in a traditional wood-burning stove. And you know, if you ever tried food from a wood-burning stove, you can tell that it has a different taste. It has this authentic farm flavor that is just unique and so tasty. So I'm crazy and super excited to have food at that place. After a long ride, about 40 minutes, we just got to the restaurant and it's right here. It looks super nice. It's right off the main road, right there. You kind of have to make a slight left to get here, but it looks super nice. Yeah, so we just got the meat, we just got the food, and this is my plate. So it literally just costs 25 Brazilian reais, which is about $5 US for all you can eat. You can serve yourself, you can put as much food as you want. For $5, you can't beat it. It's amazing. After you sit down, you'll come to the table to order your drinks. And they actually have a small menu at the table, so you can pick your drink. I chose guava juice, and Jorge chose Barbados cherry juice. He got addicted to it after yesterday. So in addition to you paying only $5 for an entire buffet, you get free desserts. This is banana sweet. Also something that we call canjicão, which is made of corn with milk, condensed milk or sugar. It's pretty delicious. And it's free, which is the best part of it. You just get your bowl, get your spoon, serve yourself, and be on your way. In addition, we also have some coffee and some burnt milk. Now that we're done, let's continue with the trip to the house. So mosquitoes are really no fun in this place. They are literally carrying us around, eating us alive. My whole body is like bitten with mosquitoes, and we had to stop to get some bug repellent. Let's see if we can find it. Yes, we finally got the repellent right here. And in addition to the repellent, we also got some Djibouti Kaba wine, which we're taking back to the US.
Continue on BR 262.
So I supposedly just got to the place, but I don't think it's here. I'm trying to contact the guy to see if he can see my text messages to guide me the right way, but I don't know. I'm gonna try to find it. So after driving around for about 30 minutes, I think we're finally getting to the place. Is this the one here? I think so, or no? I am not sure. Did we go 600 meters? Well, it turns out we have not found the place yet, and it's just a tiny bit frustrating. There's no signs to anything. Maybe here? I don't know if this is the place, but I don't think it is. Yeah, let me keep trying. There's people there. I can hear them. Yeah, there's music playing now. And after driving around and around for close to an hour, we finally found the place out. The place is right here in the middle of nowhere, with a beautiful house with 8 bedrooms, sleeping up to, I would say, 20 people or 22 people, because I just counted the beds. And they also have a separate building all the way down there with a sauna. They have a pool. They have a barbecue grill, a little playground if you have kids, a gigantic industrial kitchen. All utensils are included, all pots and pans. You just got to bring your own bedding and sheeting. It is peaceful. It is quiet. You cannot hear anything else besides nature. This is the place to be in a beautiful day like this. So I was the first one to get here from the entire family. We have a few people coming in today, a few people coming in over the weekend. And we're just gonna have so much fun. But I'm gonna show you how the place looks. And you have this little pathway go into the house. Like I said before, 4 bedrooms on the lower floor and 4 more bedrooms upstairs. I'm gonna start with the lower floor first. This is the entrance. Some chairs if you want to get comfortable. Mirror. First bedroom here, sleeping 3 people. Also with a suite right there. A bathroom here. Shower. Second bedroom, sleeping 3 more people. No suite in this one. There is an outside bathroom here. This is the third bedroom, sleeping 3 people. Another suite right here. A little space right here for you to put your stuff. And this one is nice as well because it has a little balcony. It brings you out to this. Imagine waking up to this. You can't ask for more. And these are just identical bedrooms. All bedrooms on the second floor are the same. Balcony, suite, sleeping 3 people. And this is the one we chose. Come on, we were the first ones to get here. It took us forever. The earlier you get here, the better, because you get to pick your own room. So this is where we're going to sleep, and what we loved about it is the balcony. Oops. Here it is. With this view every morning for 4 days. I'm not sure if you can hear anything else besides my voice, but I can't either because it is just so peaceful. It's magical to be here. I am tired. We're going to unload the car, get some rest, and wait for the other people to get here. That's it. Good morning and welcome to the next day. Look at this view. And it's raining a lot. There wasn't a lot of videos last night because we were wild. We were out of it. We were up until probably 6 in the morning. It was really good because I hadn't seen my family together at a place like this in maybe ever. So it was really nice to see all of them and to catch up and to talk and drink a little bit and just get into the night without really looking at the time and just enjoying the moment. It was really good. Today we're gonna cook some things and just have fun again. I'm not sure if I'm going to record a lot of things, but I'm gonna try to capture as much as I can because I want to be able to look at this footage years from now and just show my family how we enjoyed our lives when we were younger. Good morning.
Bom dia, bom dia.
It is raining. Let's run. Let us run because it is raining.
Eu falo espanhol.
Ai, que mamãe, bebê!
Ai, meu Deus, e agora, Zé?
Fica olhando, né?
Vai ser cachorro molhado.
Vamos tirar de casa.
Good morning, cousin.
Meu amor.
Ai, não.
Como não? Pode.
Tá quebrando.
Bom dia.
Vinagretes. Ressuscitou?
At this point, I'm here with my cousin and his girlfriend, and they're jumping on this old-ass trampoline. I'm actually waiting to catch an accident and actually put it on camera.
Nada, velho. Você falou o quê?
Ah, sobe logo.
Não pode pular de pneu.
Mano.
Lembra dessa bagunça?
Ai, Chadani.
Eu não sei se tá gravando, cara. Jorge.
Hello, Bass.
Hi guys, my name is Marlon
Marlon.
My name is Victor.
Vitor.
Ah, that's what I'm talking about.
Victor.
Fala aqui, Maria Luzia.
Na dica de Catibiriba.
Vou falar com o Jorge.
Mas eu vou aprender um dia.
Jorge. Eu entrei em contato com a mulher. Oi.
Oi.
Não, mas você vai falar, calma aí.
Você vai fazer a ponte, velho. Mano,
quero muito.
Eu tenho que fazer, velho.
Eu preciso
Vamos.
Autoestima dele.